All right, let's dive into bonsai styling with some of the easiest yet most powerful styles for beginners. First up, Moyogi, the informal upright. Think of it as nature's elegant blueprint, a tree that bends gracefully but doesn't break. It's like the tree saying, I've grown this way, with a little time and care. The trunk should curve gently, never too sharp or stiff. Imagine it as a gentle dance, where the tree flows with its natural rhythm. Branches grow outward from those curves, adding balance, grace, and a little attitude. Start simple. Let the tree lead, and you just provide the direction. But here's the thing, bonsai styling isn't about forcing it. The tree has its own personality. You're just there to guide it gently, like helping a friend find their path. Trust the process. Speaking of trust, let's talk Fukinagashi, or windswept style. This one's got a wild side, like your tree's been shaped by the wind for years. The trunk leans to one side, with branches pointing in the direction of an imaginary gust. Picture it, the force of nature, captured in a tree. Keep the foliage balanced, but focused on that windswept side. Now, here's a juicy tip. While it looks like the tree's been bent by the wind, don't forget that the trunk needs strength. It still has to stand tall and proud, even if the branches look like they're dancing with the breeze. This style brings that wild, grounded energy that makes people stop and stare. Quick break. This channel's slowly turning into a little bonsai garden of its own. If you want to help shape the bonsai barn, the subscribe button's just over there. Welcome to the family. Now, let's talk pruning. Without fear. Pruning is your best friend when it comes to bonsai styling. It's not about hacking away, it's about nurturing. Start by trimming any dead or unhealthy growth. Step back, breathe, and see the tree as a whole. You want to open up space for new growth. Take it slow. The more you do it, the more confident you'll become. Bonsai trees are tougher than you think. They can handle more than a few snips. And then there's wiring. Oh yes, the magic tool that brings your vision to life. Wiring lets you gently nudge branches into place, shaping your tree's posture. Use soft wire so you don't hurt the tree. Wrap it around the branches, then gently bend them. The key here is to work with the tree's natural flow, not against it. Don't try to force it into sharp angles. Let it breathe. Let it grow. And remember, once the tree's branches are set, you'll need to remove the wire in a few months. It's not about perfection. It's about guiding the tree into the shape you've envisioned. Quick question. Are you ready to try wiring on your first tree? Or does it feel a little intimidating? Let me know in the comments. At the end of the day, bonsai styling is all about patience. Each styling project is a step toward understanding your tree's unique personality. Every bend, every cut, is a chance to nurture a living work of art. And if you've stuck around this long, we're a fan of yours too. We're sending you 2 good vibe bonsai barn bonus points that your trees will soak up and turn into pure awesomeness. See you next time.